Hello and welcome to this tutorial on implementing conditionals into Power Automate. So a conditional is a type of statement that we can put in our flow into Power Automate. It allows us to change the direction, have certain actions only occur if essentially something is true. So at the moment I've got a little example flow set up here for you. So let's give it a run, see what it currently looks like. So when I click run, you can see it says, would you like to learn about Power Automate? Excellent, yes I would. So if I click the yes button, it tells me, oh hey, why don't you check out Projecting Success on LinkedIn, just like you have done to see this series of video tutorials. Now the problem is, if I hit run and say no, if I say I don't want to learn anything about Power Automate, unfortunately it still tells me anyway. So what I want to do is implement some sort of check, which means if the user says yes, they do get that message. If the user says no, then they don't. So what I do is I head over to the conditional section within actions. I'm going to implement an if action. So here we get to pick a few different options to determine what is being checked and how. So I'm going to check the button press of that first box on the first button, and I'm going to check whether or not it is equal to yes. And all I'm going to say is that if it is equal to yes, I want to have my second message inside that action. So you can see you have the little flag indicating the end. Everything inside this conditional action here, this if action, is only going to occur if they click yes on that first box. So let's go and give it a little go. I click on run. It's going to say, would you like to learn about Power Automate? What happens if I press no? Nothing, and the flow ends. Just to double check, I'll try and hit yes as well. And there we go. See, that is how you implement a conditional into Power Automate. It's a very simple example, but this can be used obviously in a whole bunch of different contexts to just take your workflows just that next step further. If you'd like to learn anything more about Power Platform, be it Power Automate, Power BI, maybe even some Excel or programming skills, why not stay on the Projecting Success page to keep up to date with these video tutorials. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.